Welcome to listeners and viewers. In last topic, I informed you what is judgment of a court, its definition. Now I will inform and explain the degree final decision in a suit or in a case under the Civil Procedural Code and Limitation Act, Court Fees Act. Under Section 2, Subsection 2 of the Code defined degree, unless there is anything repugnant in this subject or contact degree, means the formal expression of an adjudication determines the regards the court expressing it. Conclusively determines the right of parties with regard to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit and may be either preliminary or final. It shall be deemed to include the rejection of a plaint and determination of any question within Section 47 or Section 144. Essentials of degree. The term degree are used in Court Fees Act 1870 is a term of art and it must be deemed to have been used in the same sense as understood by Code of Civil Procedure. There are three essentials of a degree under Section 2, Subsection 2 of the Civil Procedural Code CPC. Among them, one is that the adjudication must be given in a suit or case, that the suit or case must start with the plaint and culminate in a degree. And third and last essential, the adjudication must be formal and final and must be given by a civil or revenue court. Case reference AIR 1978 Raj 127. In degree, what is adjudication? It means in order to see whether a decision of court is degree, there must be an adjudication, mean judicial findings to the matter in controversy. The judicial finding must be by a court. An order passed by an officer who is not a court is not a degree. For this reference case, AIR 1964, KER 153. Next, rights of parties and matter in controversies. The word right should be taken to mean only substantive rights of the parties relating to the subject matter of the suit or case. The matters in controversies are those which are not vital importance between the parties. But such matters should arise at a subsequent stage of the suit. The expression does not include proceedings preliminary to the institution of suits. Right must be conclusively determined. The decision of the court must be conclusive and final. An order which does not decide a suit finally cannot be a decree. An order which does not decide a suit or case finally cannot be a decree. Formal expression of judications. It is essential for a decree that there should be a formal expression of the adjudication. Next, there must be decree is the order of court pronounced on hearing of a court. It contains a concise and final expression of the decision of the court in a suit or a case. A decree is always passed in a suit or case. Only decision is given in decree. No reasons are given. No evidence are named and number of witnesses are written in a decree. Decree follows a judgment, not an order of court. डिग्री को सीपीसी ने जो बयान किया है और उसका मेन पॉइंट जो है कि डिग्री जजमेंट को फॉलो करती है, ऑर्डर ऑफ कोर्ट को नहीं, और ये कोर्ट अनाउंस करती है, डिसाइड करती है, आखिरी फैसला अपना कंक्लूसिव फैसला जो है वो कोर्ट देती है। जब जज सब कुछ सारी प्रोसीडिंग्स कार्रवाइयाँ, विटनेस, गवाहान, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन सारा कुछ सुनने देखने के बाद जज अपना ओपिनियन देता है, उसके बाद अपना आखिरी फ़ैसला सुनाता है, और वो जो आखिरी फ़ैसला फाइनल डिसीजन जो है उसको डिग्री बोलते हैं। डिग्री में कोई रीज़न्स नहीं लिखी जाती, सिर्फ फाइनल ऑर्डर डिसीजन लिखा जाता है। मगर जजमेंट में एविडेंस भी होती है, रीज़न भी लिखी जाती है, प्रोसीडिंग्स भी होती हैं, कंसाइज स्टेटमेंट होती है। जजमेंट स्टेटमेंट ऑफ रीजंस गिवन बाय अ जज इन सपोर्ट ऑफ डिग्री पास बाय हिम। तो नाज़रीन, जजमेंट जो है वो फाइनल डिसीजन नहीं होता अदालत का, जज का। डिग्री जो है वो फाइनल, कंक्लूसिव, जामे और आखिरी फैसला होता है, उसको डिग्री बोलते हैं। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक कीजिए प्लीज़। अपने कमेंट्स से भी आगाह करते रहें। थैंक यू वेरी मच। गॉड ब्लेस यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।